Hi, today we are going to see how to make pixel art in Photoshop. First open your Photoshop, then click on Create New and create a small size output. I created 50 by 50 pixel. You can change the pixel from here and I set it the resolution to 72 pixels per inch. Then click on Create. Your artboard will be created like this. If your artboard is not showing like this, go to just View and go to Show and turn on the pixel grid on and the grid on, and go to Edit and go to Preferences and go to Grids and Slices. Change the grid every to 1 and subdivision to 1 and make sure pixel is selected. Then click OK. Then your artboard will look like this. Now choose the pencil tool under the brush tool. Now then paint. You can choose your color from the hair. Now you can draw your pixel art. So here is my simple pixel art. You can draw your one by giving more time on it. And so this is how you can create pixel art in Adobe Photoshop. If you find this video helpful, please like the video, don't forget to subscribe and hit the bell icon. Thanks for watching.